Eurotunnel Shuttle sponsors ITV Meridian Weather.
Hello there. Feeling a little more like summer today with plenty of warm sunshine, a bit of a breeze along the coast though, but through tomorrow a little more cloud tracking in. For now though, unbroken sunshine for all of us as you can see, and inland temperatures nudging their way up to 20 or 21 degrees. Very pleasant to end the day. All of this translating to clear skies overnight tonight, so a good view of the stars possible. Temperatures nudging their way away in rural spots though, but bright and fine once again tomorrow, so starting the day on a high. Although later on, a little more cloud creeping in from the west, bringing rain overnight. Bye for now.
Eurotunnel Shuttle sponsors ITV Meridian Weather.
Well, we've lots more for you at 6 o'clock when Sangeeta and Phil will be here. For now, though, from the team here this lunchtime, thank you for joining us. Have a lovely afternoon, and I'll see you very soon indeed. Bye-bye.